Fifth question, find the interval in which the function is given to you. Here cubic polynomial is given to you. F of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. In which interval it is increasing and in which interval it is decreasing is the question. Okay, so this function, whenever it is given to you, the first step, the procedure is to find out the f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 0 level, and you need to find out the zeros of that polynomial. Means from that we are going to find out the points which will divide the complete interval into the complete domain into the disjoint intervals. So intervals we are going. In one interval it behaves in one way, that function. In another interval it behaves in another. So in which interval it these will be, how it behaves we need to find out. So f dash of x you find. F dash of x is equals to derivative of this function 2 into 3x square. So I am writing 6x square there. Okay, 6x square minus 6x minus 36 plus 0. You take the 6 common here, x square minus x minus 6. And on factorizing this, you are going to get x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, which is equals to x into x common area here. So x minus 3 plus 2 common area, x minus 3, you are going to get it. So 6 into x minus 3 into x minus 2. So f dash of x is equals to 0 you take, implies x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. ये दोनों में एक 0 होता है. So from this you can say that x is equals to 3, sorry, x plus 2 or x is equals to minus 2. These 2 points, the points x is equals to पहले minus 2 है ना, please be careful here. Which number is lesser number, that better you mention it first. Minus 2 is the first you are going to get. So x is equal minus 2 and x is equals to 3 divides the domain. What is the domain of this function? वो domain को divide करते हैं. Divides the domain. That is here in this case real numbers, real line into disjoint intervals. And what are that intervals? You need to mention. That intervals are minus infinity to minus 2 is the one interval. Minus 2 to plus 3 is an interval. And 3 to plus positive. 3 to infinity is another interval. Okay. So now here you take the number line here. You mention the here minus 2. Here plus 3 is there. So always you observe one thing here. In the intervals, in what intervals it is positive. Actually, what you need to do here, in your textbook example problems also, if you observe that, you are going to have in such a way that here interval should be taken. Minus infinity to minus 2 interval you take. In this interval, the values you try to substitute in f dash of x. F dash of x is this one. इसमें substitute करो. ये positive, ये negative होता है तो then the value is function f dash of x is negative. So like that, it is a lengthy process. Whenever you see that, it's a lengthy process. If you are doing like that. But here using the wavy curve method. Wavy curve method is nothing but what wavy curve method says that whenever you take that in this interval, here right side of interval, always the values are more than 3. They are more than 3. More than 3, whatever you substitute, it is always positive. More than 3, whatever you substitute, it is always positive. So this interval, from here onwards, you start drawing the curve like this. Like this, you draw the curve. And in this interval, the function is always positive. And here it is negative. Here it is positive. So here, observe that here it is positive, here it is negative, here it is positive. In what intervals it is positive? Minus infinity to minus 2. If you want any number also, you can substitute and check. आप substitute करके भी check कर सकते हैं. So how do you substitute and check here like that? आप कैसे substitute करके check करते हैं? Any number you take minus 2, less than minus 2. Any number you take less than minus 2. Less than minus 2 के any number ले लो. This is called the wavy curve method. We can say that wave. You can use in the exam also. Doesn't matter. Okay. So here in this interval, you have to decide the first intervals. Intervals decide करना. After deciding the intervals, this is left side value, always left. Next right side value. Now this is uppermost value 3. More than 3 any number. 3 if you are taking, the f dash of x becomes 0. Minus 2 if you are taking, f dash of x is equals to 0. Here minus 2 substitute karo. Minus 2 substitute karo 0. That's why this is touching the line. But more than 3 leno, compulsory it is positive. So here onwards one curve you try to draw like this. This is positive, this is negative, this is in this interval. This one, this expression, this expression, this polynomial is positive. In this interval, this is negative. In this interval, this is positive. In what intervals it is positive? There we have to mention. In the interval, in intervals minus infinity to minus 2 and 3 to infinity. In these two intervals, f dash of x is positive. F dash of x is greater than 0. Normally, how to do here? 3 distant intervals है ना? 3 distant intervals में 3 intervals में how this will be there, that you have to decide. In your textbook, normally whenever you see that minus infinity to minus 2, this is the interval. Interval is given to you. Here x minus 3 value. Here x plus 2 value. In this interval, this value is x minus 3. X minus 3 है ना? X minus 3 value, it is negative. And this is minus 3 if you are taking, this is negative. Both are negative. So therefore, f dash x is positive. ये negative multiply कर लिया तो positive होता है. Like this it is given to you textbook. अब ये करने के लिए थोड़ा सा बहुत ज्यादा लेंथ होता है प्रॉब्लम. You can do it like this also. Even interval 2 minus 2 comma 3 ले 2 से 3 को बीच में 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 0 इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, ये नेगेटिव होगा. 0 इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, ये पॉजिटिव होगा. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, नेगेटिव होगा. फाइनल रिजल्ट इज नेगेटिव. ऑलरेडी वी गिव रूट नेगेटिव डायरेक्टली. You can write wavy curve method whenever you are using directly. You can write. So this is not necessary to do. That's what I'm saying. Even 3 to infinity also like this if you are seeing. So our intention is that f dash of x, how it behaves. So therefore you have to write that f dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore f of x is strictly increasing in minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity. ये दोनों का यूनियन में union लेना. In these two intervals means this union is nothing but completely one interval you are doing. And in interval minus 2 to plus 3, f dash of x is less than 0. ये less than 0 होगा in that interval. Therefore, you can say that f of x is strictly decreasing in minus 2 to 3. So in this interval it is positive, increasing. In this interval it is decreasing. So like this you have to decide that. Even sixth problem, if you see that different A, B, C questions are given to you, and each and every question is different here. First question A, it is easy task to you. B, I am going to explain to you. B and C problems are देखने में थोड़ा सा different है. So that problems let us discuss now. Okay.
Hello, sir. Your voice is.
Voice is cracking for all. Voice is cracking. Others, please give the reply. Sixth question, B. Problem B, you take. The function is given to you. F of x is equals to 10 minus 6x minus 2x square is the given function. What is f dash of x? You are going to get it. As it is a quadratic, it is an easy task to you to do, not more complicated. F dash of x is equals to minus 6 minus 4x. Minus 6 minus 4x. So f dash of x is equals to 0 implies 4x is equal to 6. From this, x is equals to minus 3 by 2. We are going to get minus 3 by 2. Is it now? Is it okay? Voice. So minus 3 by 2 will divide the real number line into two disjoint intervals, minus 3 by 2. This is minus infinity, here plus infinity. Obviously, minus 3 by 2 का right side में positive होगा, minus 3 by 2 का left side में negative होगा. So we have to take like this. Now, so when you take like this, in this interval it is positive, in this interval it is negative. So what do you have to write here? Therefore, in minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, f dash of x is less than 0. F dash of x is less than 0. ये less than 0 हो रहा है. So since it is less than 0, f of x is, don't get confused, f dash of x less than 0 means f of x is decreasing. F of x is decreasing in minus infinity to minus 3. Minus 3 by 2 to infinity, it is increasing as it is positive. Simple problem here. Okay. No complicated here. Complication is there in this problem. So C problem, let us see here. It's a given to you a little bit cubic polynomial with a negative signs it is given. So that's why I will explain to you this one. So f of x is equals to, what is then, minus 2x cube. Minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. Okay. So this is the question given to you. And what is f dash of x? You try to find out. Always when f of x is given, f dash of x we need to find out. So f dash of x is equals to minus 6x square minus 18x minus 12. And you can take here minus 6 common. Minus 6 common ले सकते हैं. X square minus 3x minus 2. X square minus 3x. Sorry, my x square plus 3x plus 2. Because minus 6 is taken common. So x square, ये factorization is x plus 2 into x plus 1. So f dash of x is equals to 0. Implies x is equals to minus 1 comma minus 2. And be careful here. F dash of x minus 1 comma minus 2. So minus 1 comma minus 2 will divide the real number into three intervals. X is equals to minus 1 comma minus 2 divides real line into three disjoint intervals. And what are that intervals? They are minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2, minus 2 to infinity. And be careful here. You should be really more careful here when you are doing this problem. Here already minus 6 is there here. So number line, whenever you take here, this is a number line. In this number line, here minus 1 will be there, here minus 2 will be there. Okay. So wavy curve method, whenever you take here, like this, you are going to. -2 से greater than you take. -2 से greater than. -2 से greater than. Greater than -2 whenever you take is nothing but 0 you can take. 0 whenever you substitute, it is getting the function value gets what you will get function value negative because as you are having here. So always as the function is here it is negative, then in this interval it is negative. इधर नेगेटिव हो गया, इधर पॉजिटिव हो गया, इधर नेगेटिव हो गया. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Did you understand here whatever I did? Huh? So it is greater than -2. Always positive नहीं लेना है. If the function is here already minus is there. Observe that -2 से greater than any number you substitute and check. So 1 if you are deciding. So in which intervals it is decreasing, in which intervals it is increasing, in which intervals it is positive, in which intervals it is negative. In this interval it is increasing function. In these two intervals it is decreasing. So from the directly you can write here. Okay. So the points you need to mention that in that interval f dash of x will be less than 0. So in -infinity to -1 and -2 to plus infinity, f dash of x is less than 0, not greater than 0. Do remember, as we are having here minus symbol. Minus here it is there, that's why it is less than 0. So therefore, f of x is decreasing in -infinity to -1, union 2 to -2 to infinity. Similarly, in -1 to -2, f dash of x is greater than 0. In this interval, -1.5 substitute करो. -1.5 इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, पॉजिटिव आएगा, इधर -1.5 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, नेगेटिव आएगा. ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव एंड इधर नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नेगेटिव will be the positive. So like that also you can do it. Therefore f of x is strictly, sorry, here also strictly increasing in -1 to -2. In this interval it is strictly increasing. So the next here the next question is given to you, fourth question, 6 minus 9x square. This is very simple, you can do it, it's not more complicated. And problem number E, let us see here. Although it is given to you little bit, function is given to you in a confusion way. So let us discuss the problem number E. Okay, in this. So in this problem, you feel that wavy curve method is more useful. When it is given to you, the higher degree polynomials, whenever it is given to you, then in that situation, it is more useful. Okay, so question number E. So the function is given x plus 1 whole cube, x minus 3 whole cube. F of x is equals to x minus 1 whole cube, sorry, x plus 1 whole cube, x minus 3 whole cube. Okay, so expand करने का जरूरत नहीं है, no need of expanding it using that, no need of expanding this. So now what to do here, f dash of x you need to find out in this. So how do we find out f dash of x? Product rule, obviously, isn't it? Product rule use करना है. Product rule में पहले ये as it is लेना, otherwise इसका derivative find out करो. 3 into x plus 1 whole square, ये as it is, x minus 1 whole cube, plus 3 into x minus 3 whole square, x plus 1 whole cube is as it is. Now what you can take the common here? Squares you can take, 3 you can take the common, x plus 1 whole square, here it is there, here it is there. And x minus 3 whole square, here it is there, here it is there. So here 1 time x minus 3 will be left over. Here 1 time x plus 1 will be left over. So on simplifying this, we are going to get x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, 2x minus 2. Again 2 you take the common. 2 you take 6 into x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, x minus 1. Here, whenever you see that, it is going to divide it into different intervals. How many intervals you are going to get here? F dash of x is equals to 0 implies f dash of x is equal to 0 implies this one is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to plus 3, x is equals to plus 1. These numbers you try to write in a proper order. Okay, interval line whenever you take into consider. So first what you get in this minus 1, next what you get 1, next what you get 3. So therefore these points will this, these points divides the real line into 1, 2, 3 and 4 disjoint sets here. 4 disjoint intervals. So that minus infinity to minus 1 is 1, minus infinity to minus 1, and minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1, and 1 to 3, and 3 to infinity. But one thing you observe here, it's a very simple task that whenever you are seeing, in what interval it is decreasing, in what interval it is increasing to find out. ये फंक्शन पॉजिटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव, सिर्फ इसको देख लिया तो भी आपको हो जाएगा. दिस प्रॉब्लम कैन बी डन इन 2 डिफरेंट वेज. अब ये पॉजिटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव है, तो दिस फंक्शन देखने का जरूरत नहीं, x माइनस 1 ही देख लो. 1 तो ये 1 है, सो इधर से ऐसा एक ही ग्राफ ड्रा करो, एक ही कर्व ड्रा करो ऐसा, तो ये पूरा पॉजिटिव है, ये पूरा नेगेटिव होगा, that function. But you are not supposed to write continuously because there is a break here. Are you following my point here? In this here you are having square, here square is there, here linear function is there. When you are having a linear function like that, in what interval it is increasing, in what interval it is decreasing to decide. Normally आप लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको normally you are going to do like this, ऐसा draw. When you are drawing like this, the problem इधर पॉजिटिव लिखते हैं, इधर नेगेटिव लिखते हैं, बट गलत, ये गलत, रीडी करूंगी. Why? Because you see that, observe that my concept is that ये positive है, ये positive है, so these are not changing the f dash f x sign. They are not changing the sign, they won't change the sign, so you need to concentrate on only x minus 1. x minus 1 पे concentrate करना है, so x minus 1 पे concentrate करना है, तो it's a simple task that although you mentioned that it is going to break it minus 1, 1, 3. Yes, although it is breaking into 4 intervals break करना है, but when you draw that, only the curve you have to draw like this. After drawing the curve like this, you are going to get here it is positive, here it is negative. That's all. Positive and negative you after in this interval, but that interval should be mentioned 1 to infinity, not 1 to 3 union 3 to infinity. So therefore f of x is increasing strictly increasing in 1 to 3 union 3 to infinity, because at the place of 3 it is neither increasing nor decreasing, f dash of x value is 0, constant over at the place of 3 का placement, so 1 to infinity नहीं लिखना. So in the same way f of x is strictly decreasing in minus infinity to plus 1. No, wrong. Minus infinity to minus 1 union minus 1 to plus 1. ये लिखना है. इस प्रॉब्लम में ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है. There is a chance of little confusion in this problem. So these are all the problems based on the polynomials. So next coming problems are which includes the different functions. Only polynomial whenever it is given to you like this, you can do that using the wavy curve method. Did you understand?